Good morning. Good morning. All right. I actually got set up real quick this morning because I forgot a few things, but now we are good to go. All right, let me post this in the group. I'm going to get on TikTok soon. Made some nice moves overnight. Oil had a few little trades. It had a break-even offset, and then it had a full win on range. I've had it on timeout for the last few weeks because it was acting up. Oh, I'm chilly. All right, let me get on. I wonder if I should load anything else. I have Santa. I wonder if I should do fast. I think we might get some moves today, but it might be trending. And if it's trending, then fast might not be the best play. Santa, I mean, whatever might be the best play. All right, I'm going to put fast up just for fun. The market's open. Fast doesn't start for a few minutes anyway, so. I also finally remembered to put my stocks up today, so that's great. We talked about obviously we talked about longs and shorts in the student call this morning, but there's one particular that I was talking about. This actually isn't great. You see what nasty this is? I was telling my students, be aware. Be aware of that nastiness. Alright, if you guys have questions, let me know. Please give a thumbs up. Was that on, oh, that's it.
Order filled.
I should turn this down. There's that drop. All right, let's see which student got that. Etsy started that short, but I got kicked out, so. All right, let me get on TikTok. Remember, tomorrow's the last day for, hi Carlos, tomorrow's the last day for Apex, the sale that Apex is doing, so if you want to grab any last minute accounts, remember, you don't have to use them. There's no you have to use it right this second. Fast is in a short. Let's see what happens here. And again, people that are on the live stream, I feel like I say this a lot, but then I had someone yesterday so confused. This is scalper. The blue box is range. Range typically does not run during my live stream because it has specific hours that it runs. And so if it's not running during my live stream, I can't really show it to you during my live stream. And that's just what it is. But I did just show you here that it just had a win at 8:49 a.m. on oil. So if I can show it to you, I will, but typically it's not going to be a thing. So I just want to make that clear. So and I'm only going to ever go live at the open because it has the most action, and after about 10:30, 11:30, I like to start my day. I don't sit at the desk all day. That's not my thing. I'm going to go live on TikTok now. So anyway, so the point of this message is whenever I'm going live, I'm going to show you the stuff that's going to be trading during that time of the day. Even though the market's open 23 hours a day, my strategies don't just trade unlimited 23 hours a day. That's not how it works. We find the best times and then we kind of work off of that. So if something works really well from 9:30 to 10 a.m., then I'm only going to run it from 9:30 to 10 a.m. There's no reason why I would run that, at 10 p.m. So what I'm saying is if I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30, which is what I do, then I'm going to show you the strategies that are running during that time, which is what I'm doing right now, this is Scalper. Good morning. Guaranteed green on this trade on fast. It's in a long, you can see one contract right here. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. So just to clarify that. But if bold range, for some reason, we ever start trading bold range during the 9:30 to 10:30 hour and we're in a trade, I will obviously show you that. Anytime we're in a trade, I try to put it front and center. But again, if range isn't trading then can't really do anything about that. Where did that just pull back to? Did it just pull back to 8 or 12? Oh, my students are already posting. Yes, good job, Kevin. Be done. Kevin already made $400. Karan already made $162. I need to message Kevin. Good morning. Thanks for the rose. We have now dropped 30 points from my morning breakdown with my students, which I can show right here. Short, where's my short? 12,608. There's my short. I can show you guys now because it already happened. 12,608. We're currently at 12,580. And what was my target? 540. So my target's still down there. Good morning. Good morning. Triple M's in a short. Etsy's in a short. Etsy's been in a short since the open. This is MMM, which is a stock, not a futures contract. I gotta ask my students who got that short. Even it went back and touched it. So green, $400 on this short. What else are we in? Nothing. NQ Zones is taking some trades. Can you explain why you like futures over options? Yeah, absolutely. So the futures market is open 23 hours a day. The futures market gives you really great ability on your money. So you could start with as little as $400 and be able to trade as much as you want. There's no PDT rule. Your money is never held in some type of 3-day hold. So as soon as you transfer your money in, you can use it to trade. And then as soon as you get out of a trade, you can transfer that money out of your account. There's a million reasons why I like futures. The market's open 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. There's a lot of liquidity, so you don't have to bounce around and find a product that might move for you that week. Nice. Whitney got $700 on that short. Super proud of yourselves, ladies. Jeanette, too. All right. How much do I have to invest a small amount? What's your low? What do you mean low? Can you utilize this algo on range time frames? Yes, you can use it on range time frames. I have a friend that uses it. Oh, are we in a long here? We're in a long on the NQ. You can use it on any time frame. Like any chart, you can use it on. I have a friend that I think she likes the 89 range or something. I tried a range chart before. It's not my thing. Green $400 on this fast long. Santa's not in any trades yet, and neither is YM Santa. My call from this morning. Oh, sorry. What's your low? What do you mean, what's my low from this call this morning? My call was the short off of 12,608. This 12,612 is really nice too. And then my target was 550. 550, 540, 540. It went down to 555. Regardless, all of my targets hit. From 608, like the ultimate target is 540, but I use brackets that have smaller targets than that. Yeah, so off of the 608, it went down to 55. So it's a 55-point drop from that trade. And again, it's not an alert. We have a private student call every morning from 8:45 to 9:15 a.m. And I break down the market. I break down the charts for gold, oil, and the NASDAQ. Green 555 on this long. And so I told them that was my play on the short side. And then obviously we always have a long play and we always have a short play. So we're still in these stock shorts. Where is... So green 400 on the short of MMM. Oh, Etsy actually popped it along. There's no Discord. We use Slack, but it's only for paying members. So, yes. This is what my Slack looks like. 240 people. This was gold overnight, something that we're testing. It made $3,310 on 71 trades. It takes 2 minis. The drawdown was $800 overnight. The biggest loss was $570. There were 14 consecutive winners. Hey, Mark. Oh my god. Y'all, stop saying that. In another long here. If you guys want more information, email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, tomorrow is the last day for the Apex sale. Apex Trader Funding does a... Ooh, Etsy is green 700 in this long. They are doing a sale through Tuesday, which is tomorrow. $800 on this Etsy long. Through tomorrow, they're doing a sale, 80% off. Use the code SAVE80. Took a loss there on Fast. Fast is still green, 105 on the day. Where did we pull back up to? Oh, what a surprise. What a surprise. We pulled back up to the exact level that I said to take the short at. So you could literally take it again. Listen, if I know anything, I know my technical analysis. Who got the redrop? Oh my gosh. Nice. LaRome took the 3 retest. Good job. Y'all, right back down to 65. Where are we at with everything? Etsy's still green. We're in a, oh, this took a nice short too. Green $330 here. We're back in a long. Nice job, Almo. Oh, wait. Santa's in a $700 short, y'all. Get the fuck out of here. I'm like missing it. Santa's in a $725 short. I'm too busy talking to students, asking them how much they got on as a retest. Pink is green 700 too. Nice. All right, Santa might take profit here. Also, Etsy is green $1,123. Still in that previous trade, this long. I did not have time to run the stock stuff last week, but I promise I'm going to get back to it this week. Remember, if you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Santa's still in this. Ooh, it's curling back down. We like to see it. And then it went right back to the 580 level. Y'all, do you have the 580 level? Yeah, 735 on this short. Green $900 on this short. On NQ. This is one mini. This is all automatic. This is fully automatic. I'm not doing anything. I'm busy typing to my students over here who are talking about our manual trade, which has nothing to do with this. Because I have students who manually trade, and then I also have pretty much 220 people that use the algorithm. Mike, I don't know. There's no option. What's your next step? I'm not sure. I'm not like a life planner here. Remember, you can use Apex. If you don't have cash for your account, you can use Apex. They will give you a $50,000 account for $36. The sale save 80 is... Thanks, Whitney. Yeah, Lilu or Apex. Apex is better. Apex Trader Funding. They're doing a sale until tomorrow. I'll put the website up on the screen. It's apextraderfunding.com. They have an 80% off sale. Etsy is still green $1,000 here, and MMM is still green $200. They have a sale through tomorrow. It says it right here, 80% off. I don't have an affiliation with them. You just go there and push sign up. Get a $50,000 account. It's typically $167. Right now with the sale, it's $36. You can pass evaluation in as quick as 7 days, and then you have a fully funded $50,000 account. Oh, what a surprise. We hit my ultimate target of 540. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all. Like, I don't know how much easier I can make it. I literally told all of my students I'm taking a short right here. And what did it do? It shorted right there. And then what did it do? It pulled right back up. It shorted from here, the 608, down to 55. That's 55, a 55-point drop. Then it pulled right back up to that same exact level. Look at this wick. And it shorted again. It went to my ultimate target. Every one of my students should be 1,000% green today. Like, there's no other option. And you only took 2 trades. So what are you paying? $5 per trade. You pay $10 in commissions. And you just made like $2,000. Like, get the hell out of here. That's all you got to do. There's no need to overtrade. There's no need to scalp 5 points. Like, people think that's the way to win in trading, and it's not. Like, oh, well, if I can just get 5 points, like, what? Or 2 points or 3 points. Like, no, that's not the end game. The end game is to take very few trades per day, high quality setups, make your money, and be done, and go enjoy your life. This is the NASDAQ NQ. Can I trade Apex with NinjaTrader? Yes, you can. Apex connects to NinjaTrader in the connection little field. So yes. How do you overtrade with a bot though? No, Tyler, I'm also talking about my manual students. I'm not talking, so I'm going back and forth talking about the bot and my manual traders. So there's 2 different things. I have a mentorship where I teach people how to manually trade. Those folks, I'm saying, should never be over trading because I literally give them a layup every morning with a long and a short, and it plays out, and that's it. Thank you guys. Our friend refers me here. Oh, cool. Well, what's your friend's name? I want to thank him. Green, $500 on this. Yeah, so what you're seeing in front of you is the automated algorithm. It's a robot. It trades for you. This one specifically is green, 325 already on the day, and then plus this other 400, so that's 700. No idea. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this move up. $800 on this long. This is one contract. How much is this bot using to be up? Y'all, this is one contract. One contract costs $1,000. It only runs at certain times, but you get all of that information when you join the group. And how long does it take to set up? Some people, it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to set up for your first time joining the group. Other people, it can take like 30 to 60 minutes. It depends how computer savvy you are, honestly. Some people are like, what? And then other people are like, oh, that was so easy. So it just depends. This is the NASDAQ. Again, I'm always showing the NASDAQ unless I say otherwise. So this strategy is already green, $325 on the day, and then we're in this trade, which is green, $700. So essentially green 1,000 unrealized right now, total. Remember, we have moved contracts. If you're not on June for all of the indices, then you're not going to have any data on your screen. If you're not on... and if you're not on May for oil, then you're not going to have any data because oil has moved to May. Apex, then you, or you, then Apex. Apex and then me. But Apex literally takes like 5 minutes to get set up. So apextraderfunding.com, use the code SAVE80. Make sure you put in that coupon code, and you can get a $50,000 account for $36. You can have up to 20 accounts at one time. So some people will purchase like 5 during the sale and then only use 1 at a time. So then like if for some reason you bust one, then you still have 4 others. If you guys have any questions, please just email me. It's the easiest way to get in touch. boldbotllc@gmail.com. I will never follow you on social media. I will never DM you. So if you get any weird, creepy DMs, y'all, $2,000 on this Etsy long. Etsy is almost at Target. Do you see my Target? Yes, baby. Shit, it just hit. I wanted to get it before it hit, but it hit. All right. Well, Etsy is 2 for 2 on the day. Green, like $2,400. Nice. Nice. Where's Terrence? Hit $2,000 target. All right. Nice move for Etsy there. Would a trade copier? Yes, you can use a trade copier from Apex. They have that as well. So you could have like 5 Apex accounts, and then whatever it takes in the one, like the one account, it will copy it over to the others. Yes. The trade copier, I believe, is like $150. It's a one-time fee. Wow, look at that drop. It's a one-time fee. Oh, NQ. Because see how this is still green? That's why it hasn't exited this yet. Both of these need to be red before it will exit the trade. Or it will hit this offset here. Again, you can always take this stop loss and move it up if you want to. But, you know, this is hands-free trading, so I don't really suggest doing that. But if you're at your computer and you want to have a little more control, you can do that. That is totally fine. Again, it's Apex. Can you guys put the Apex website? Mark, can you put that in there? It's apextraderfunding.com. And if you want more information for me, just email me. The discounted link for the algorithm is only via email. It's not on my website. If you go to my website, you're going to pay the full price. apextraderfunding.com is the website for the funded accounts and the copier. Is that what you needed only? Y'all, this has been a great morning. All right, so Santa's green, $500 on the day. Oil's green, $410 on range. I don't know what pink is because I don't have it. Irma can tell me. I think it's like 700. It was like 700 on that drop before. I wonder where it tagged. It might. Oh no, it's not still in it because he said almost gotten another one. We're not in any trades right now. Again, Etsy hit both. It hit full target, which is $2,000, and it's still going. Do you see this Etsy move? And it had a short here that made like $200. So it's green, $2,200 on the day. Yeah, there's no PDT rule for futures. The market's open 23 hours a day. There's a lot of liquidity because we trade commodities and indices. Oopsies. Like we're not trading, and obviously you could, but we're not trading like corn or wheat. You know, we're trading the NASDAQ. We're trading the Dow. So if you guys have questions, please put them in chat. Jen or Mark will help answer them. They are my moderators. I'm going to pin that, Jen. I have to figure out how I can take, like, I didn't look at the settings the other day about the... So fast is green. Where did fast go? Anyway, fast is green, $605. This is fast. Fast is green. It's on a break right now for a few minutes. Fast is green, $605. Let's look at the breakdown since 9:35, something like that. So it's taken 10 trades. It's green $605. The biggest drawdown was $250. The biggest loss was $200. And again, this is on one mini. So one mini cost me $1,000. Like I have to have $1,000 in my account to take this trade. That's what that means. If you don't have a large account, then you can take a micro, which is 1/10 of the size. So it's $100 to take the same trade. And then your loss or your gain or your risk, all of that is then going to be, oh, are we back up that? Oh, no, that's not 580. What is this? 568 is going to be 1/10 of the size. All right, so clearly we are still moving down. Again, my manual students were given this short at 12,608, and it dropped 55 points, and then it dropped 80 points. Can you use this bot with a funded account? Yes, Almo. I feel like I've talked about this 75 times now. Yes, you can use it with a funded account. I've been talking about that constantly. Apex Trader Funding. They have a sale. They have a sale that's happening right now until tomorrow. Apex Trader Funding. I don't know what, NLSC. The code is SAVE80. Yep. So fast is green 605, Santa's green 260 because it just had a loss. Oil's green 410. Etsy was green 2200. Triple M MMM is red $600. Almo, I'm not on a live stream to give you free trades. You caught it once or twice. Congrats. But if you want my alerts, also if you're a student, you get manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. every day, then you have to join the group. Come on now. This stream is more about showing the algorithm, not about my manual alerts. But I get really excited when obviously it plays out really well. So I was talking about it this morning. But yeah. Come on, I already made you money. Now you can put that towards your Apex account and join the group and then use it. How do I get access to the training videos? I just joined. Sorry if you already talked about it. I know nothing other than losing 10K in forex a decade ago. Ty, so you would just go to my website, boldanalysis.llc.com. Guaranteed green on the Santa trade here, and it's under alert room. It looks like this. I don't want to miss out on this trade. Alert room and then digital mentorship. So digital mentorship is what you want. And then you can just scroll down and purchase it, and then you'll be added to the group. Again, you get 16 one-hour videos. You get access to manual alerts 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You get the morning call from 8:45 to 9:15, which is only for students. We typically do a monthly Q&A video. I haven't done that this month because we've been doing these morning calls, which has been really good. What do you use for limit orders? Every time I try with NinjaTrader, it instantly goes to market order. No, you just use a limit order. That's what I do. You know limit orders turn into market orders, right? THX. Oh, this is NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader. I'll show you at the bottom. There it is. Yep, sure thing, Ty. So again, if you take my mentorship, you get access to the morning calls, the manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You get 16 one-hour videos, so essentially 16 hours worth of material. And then me as your mentor, which is probably the best part. Nice, Clint. Oh, we got tagged out of this long, but it's still going now. But that happens. Oh, YM is in a short. Let's see how that works out. So again, when a trade happens, we're not always in a trade, but when we are, I try to put it front and center. Again, bold range doesn't trade right now, so that's why we don't typically see it that much. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen, tap, tap, tap on TikTok. If you are on YouTube, please give a thumbs up. There's only 12 likes, and there's 43 of you on the live stream. Yes, you can turn it on just for NQ if that's what you want to do. Yes, I'm currently trading oil, gold, NQ, the Dow, S&P 500, and then some stocks. NQ's also in a short now. How does this work? So you either get a cash account with NinjaTrader or you get a funded account with Apex. And then you sign up for the subscription, which is the discount link is through my email. So you have to email me for more information. And then once you sign up, you get added to Slack, which is similar to a Discord. And then you're given a welcome message, which has the algorithm file and then step-by-step videos on how to get set up. And you also are given access to 2 of my admins. I have an admin, and then I also have an onboarding specialist. And they help you with everything to get set up and going. Where's Fast? Fast isn't a trade. I had to remark this. Fast isn't a long, but it's red. YM's in that short still. Ooh, it's turning around. All right, now. See how I'm like bouncing all around? With Scalper, it has to have separate charts. That's why I don't have them on tabs. I just signed up with Apex. Perfect. Yo is. On mentorship, do you give all of your chart data? Yeah, essentially. I do. Darren. Like, we meet every single day, so I always go over, like, the levels that I have on my charts. Everything else, I definitely is less than 5. But, like, the exact, like, level location, yeah, I do that on all of my morning calls. All right, so YM is in this short green $115. I'm going to just stretch this out a little bit so you can see it a little better. Again, once this goes green, 200, this will automatically move itself into the positive value. So I don't have to do anything. I don't have to be here. Do you see how that just happened? I don't have to be here. I could be sleeping. I could be at the gym. I could be in a meeting at work. All of it is 100% hands-free, and then it just pulled back up, and it took profit because that offset was in the green. So YM is green, $75 on the day. 1 trade. Nice, Kyle. Kyle just passed another $50,000 Apex account. He said next is also going to be past $50,000 account. He passed a $25,000 account. Very nice. He passed 2 50Ks and a $25,000 account on Apex. And again, so if you have multiple Apex accounts, when you do your withdrawals, you can withdraw from each account at the same time. So you can only withdraw like twice per month. But if you have multiple accounts, you can withdraw from all of them at the same time. Because they're separate accounts. Because they're, they're different accounts. Sansa's flagging for a short. I think Fast is already in a short. Fast is already in a short. Guaranteed green. Do you see how this purple line is in front of the entry? So the entry, this is the entry, the tan line where the numbers are, where like the profit or losses. This is the offset. Again, this moves on its own. So it moved itself down. And it's guaranteed green. What do you mean he passed? He passed the evaluation. If you're doing a funded account and you don't know anything about it, whoa, look at this. You should probably go look into it. You should probably go watch a video on how does Apex work. There's an evaluation process that you have to pass. It's very easy, but you can pass it within 7 days. So he passed the evaluation. Now we're in a long. He passed the evaluation for both of his $50,000 accounts and his $25,000 accounts. Yeah, Almo, I think I was talking to, thought Apex didn't allow it on it. Yeah, it says that, but I think that's more of like a third-party thing, love, because is Kyle using your bot or mentoring? Kyle's doing both. Kyle's using my bot, and he's one of my mentor students. Can I link it to my bank? No, you cannot link it to your bank. Your NinjaTrader account you can link to your bank, and then you have to do like an ACH or a wire to transfer money into your NinjaTrader account. You could do that. So you can just email me if you want more information, boldbotllc@gmail.com. My discounted link is in there, and all the steps that you need to get set up are in there. I should probably put the Apex link in that email. But again, they're doing 80% off sale that ends tomorrow night. So Tuesday night, March 21st is the last day for that. Oh my gosh, look where we pulled back up to again, you guys. Like, I can't make this up. Almo, did you get it? What is the symbol that's on the screen? These are all the NASDAQ. If I ever have something else up other than the NASDAQ, I mention that. But the NASDAQ is my favorite product, and that's the one that I trade the most. So it's \NQ or NQ623. If you guys are new here, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, both on YouTube and TikTok. And if you want to go back and watch any of my live streams on YouTube, you can do that. They're all recorded. Nice. All right, where are we at? There's been some fake outs here. Can you show me the LYLT screen? What? What is an LYLT? What? Can you saw me the LYLT in screen? What? What the hell is that? Light? What is LYLT? What the hell is happening? I don't know what that is. All right, it's 10:11. It's funny listening. Try to decipher. Yeah, well, Almo, just join. No, I'm not going to show you the LYLT symbol. I don't trade stocks. Again, y'all, I trade futures. Futures, futures, futures. LYLT is not a future. I don't even know what that is. The focus is forex, oh my God, why did I say that? The focus is futures, not forex, not stocks, not crypto, none of those. Where's fast? Again, these are all the NASDAQ. I have different strategies. This is the fast strategy. The other one was Santa, and then the other NQ is just a higher time frame that I watch for manual trades. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. Again, if you want more information on my auto trading algorithm or my mentorship, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. We're in this long on the fast as well as Santa. Fast got in a little earlier, so it's green $300 here. NQ on Santa took profit. Oh my God. On Apex, is it Tradevate Ninja? No, it's Rhythmic Ninja. Tradevate is a totally different platform. Remember, this is NinjaTrader, so it's NinjaTrader and Rhythmic. We've been getting that question a lot, but I didn't think it was that confusing, but I guess it is. No, I'm not going to. Oh my God. Okay, let's just mute you, Finjolama, because hello, Tesla is a stock. I literally just said I don't do stocks. Do you know what a future is? Go watch my video on what futures are. No, the bot is not called Santa. And Almo, it doesn't really matter what the bot name is because you're not going to be able to find it anywhere. Again, I'm a vendor with NinjaTrader, so everything is private and proprietary, and it's all mine unless you join and then I give you access. I do not trade stocks. I mentioned obviously MMM and Etsy because I loaded those up today, but I don't want that to be confusing because my main focus is futures. Futures, all right, well, my admin will email you back, Almo. Futures are the best because you get a discount with tax, like there's like a tax credit. You can trade 23 hours a day. You can start with as little as $400. There's no PDT rule. Are we in a short now? We're in a short on Santa. Santa is just a nickname for this strategy. The algorithm is called Scalper, but that doesn't really matter either. And I really think I'm going to change the name because I don't think Scalper really defines it. But no, the $1,200 does not include the bot. The mentorship and the bot are two totally different things. If you want a bot to fully trade for you, that's $500 for the first 21 days as a trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. You're leasing the bots from me. If you want to learn how to manually trade, then you can do that by purchasing the mentorship, which is a one-time fee, $1,200, and you will get all of the stuff for the mentorship, but you will not have any access to the algorithms. Sure thing, Almo. So again, the $1,200 for the mentorship is just for that. The mentorship, access to the student channel, access to the student calls, access to the manual alerts, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. every day. Kyle K, Kyle R. No, it's 16 hours. I updated it recently. It's 16 hours. Because I've added on more stuff as the years have gone on. It says 16 hours right here, Ty. I'm not sure what. Oh, you might be maybe in a different. I might have to. If you can email me that part where you saw 10 hours so I can update it. But it's definitely 16 hours. It says it right here. 16 1-hour video sessions. It's like the first thing. Again, go to Alert Room and then go to Digital Mentorship. PDT is a pattern day trading rule. If you don't have $25,000, you can't day trade stocks or options without getting flagged for PDT. You can only trade 3 times a week. That is like the most basic part of trading. But futures does not have that rule. So futures, you can trade as much as you want with as little as you have. Also, YM took another trade and hit the offset. So YM is 2 for 2 for $150. Does that help explain what PDT is? It's a rule, so then the government doesn't allow people with a little bit of money to make money, essentially. They only want people with a bunch of money to make money. Don't tell them I said that, because then they're going to come for me. Listen, I don't need the government coming for me. Oh, Etsy would have gotten in this short, too. So Etsy hit here. And the Etsy would have taken a short at 107, and now it's at 106. That's an easy $1,000 right there. But I have it stop at 10 a.m., so that's why I didn't take it. And MMM, we were profitable like $500 at one point. So yeah, I think I've heard of it before. Keep poor people from waking up rule. What? Waking up? What? I don't know if it's waking up. Are you asleep? How does that work? All right, it is 10:17. Fast is in another long here. Green, $15. Let's watch that. Hi, welcome. So yeah, if you emailed me, my admin will respond. She is really great about that. Even if you just have questions. Screenshot with the 10 hours is in your inbox. Oh, she probably copied and pasted that. I'm going to have to get her to update that. In my inbox? You mean like something that was emailed to you? I thought that was updated. So we have just like a standard message that we copy and paste. No, it should be this. 16 1-hour videos. What? What inbox? What inbox, Ty? Screenshot with the 10 hours is in your inbox. I don't know my inbox. Do you have backtesting history? Yes, if you email me, I can send it to you. NQ on range is 95.5% over the last 15 months. ES range is 84% over the last 15 months. NQ with 1 mini for the last 15 months has made $35,000, something like that, and that's with one contract. No touching, and it trades on average once per day. That's it. Thanks for the likes. If you appreciate the stream, tap the screen. Go tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. I have to pee. I drank too much tea this morning. We're dropping again. Y'all, the play has been short. Only looking for shorts. This is what my students do. This was play number 1. This is play number 2. This is play number 3. Like, it doesn't get any easier than a day like today. Tap, tap, tap. Thank you so much. It doesn't get any easier. Play 1. 1, 2. Oh gosh, that 2 is like kind of like ugly. 1, 2, 3. How much easier does it get? It doesn't get any easier than this. Okay. I know what I'm talking about, and I know how to teach people. All right, fast is getting chopped up. It's 10:20. Thanks for the likes. I emailed you a screenshot showing where it says, oh, okay, thanks, Ty. My admin, she like looks at the emails during this time, but I'm gonna go now. Hold on. And then I'll update it. Thank you, Ty. Oh, no. No. That must not be updated. Oh, you're just on alert rooms. Let me see. I'm going to have to update that. Alert. What? Oh, I see. Okay. But even if you clicked on that link, it wouldn't work. So yeah, that was old information. Thank you, Ty. I'm going to fix that right after this call. I appreciate that so much. I thought you meant like it was emailed to you. Yeah. Yes. The Apex code is SAVE80. Remember, it's only until tomorrow. Thanks, Jen. It's only until tomorrow. I wanted to put this in the student corner. Nice. Jimmy got all 3. Nice job, Jimmy. Jimmy, I'm so proud of you. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to get off of here. One of my buddies just sent something. $2,500 on oil. since the open. What? All right. Yeah, email me. Should I get a funded account on Apex? What should I? So if I get a funded account, what do you mean? You purchase the Apex account and then you email me for the discounted link to the algorithm. And then, oh, Santa's in a long? Hold on, we're in a long. And then you use the algorithm on the Apex account. That's what people are doing. That's the thing. Yeah, just email me. Sorry, there's a lot going on. We're in this long on Santa for $500. I have to reply to Justin's. Thank you so much, Ty. I'm going to fix that right after this. Hi, Jackie. Hi, is there a stop in lost in the system? Yes, Johan, you've been on this live stream like a million times. This is the stop loss right here, that purple line. Not sure why you haven't noticed it before, and you can easily see us get stopped out when it comes back down there. Oh, damn it. All right, Ty, well, she replied to you, but I need to save your thing so I can fix that. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Sure. I don't know who you are, but okay. All right, bye, guys. See you tomorrow.